Greetings, my name is Modadugu Surya Suhaas. I am studying in ACE Engineering College, currently pursuing third year B.Tech in CSE IoT department. And in our college, there is a program called Vihaan under A Center of Emerging Technologies where we learn new technologies every semester. This semester, we have learned Android application development using Kotlin. Based on this knowledge, I have developed an application which is titled Weather and Air Quality Application, which is integrated with IoT. For this, I have won first prize in Google supported virtual internship competition across India. So let's dive into the project. We have two parts. One is a physical node, another is an application user interface. In the physical node, I have used two sensors and a microcontroller which is Wi-Fi enabled. In the application user interface, I have used Kotlin and XML to develop a user-friendly interface. In the physical node, as I mentioned earlier, there are two sensors. One is a DHT11 sensor, which gives me temperature and humidity values. And another is MQ135 gas sensor, which gives me air quality index values. Coming to the application, here in this application, everything is dynamic. We use multiple API calls to retrieve the accurate data based upon your location and the location of your smartphone, that is latitude and longitude. In this case, I have used OpenWeatherMaps API, which is free. Even the background color is dynamic in nature. Here, I have displayed temperature in Celsius, humidity, percentage around you, pressure around you, and wind speed around you. And this app even shows sunrise and sunset timings. Here my integration here is air quality. When I click on air quality, we are rerouted to another page which is air quality near you. This data is retrieved dynamically from the node, the physical node. Here we can see air quality in parts per million, temperature in degrees Celsius, and humidity percentage around the node. And here I have also added air quality in popular locations, as you can see, and according to the values of the air quality index, the background color also changes to provide a much friendly user interface. As you can see, Hyderabad 112, New Delhi 340, and Mumbai has 157. This is the physical node we have discussed about earlier. Here, this is the brain of the node. This is the node MCU or ESP8266 board, which is Wi-Fi enabled, which enables us to get the real-time data from the sensors. Here, this is the DHT11 sensor, which is used to get temperature and humidity. And this is the MQ135 sensor, which is used to get the air quality index. And here I have connected this node to the laptop to show the output in real time. This, as you can see, this is the live data. This live data is used to is rendered in the application in real time. Let us see how I designed this. I have used XML language to develop this Android application interface, and I have used two cards, as you can see here. Each of these cards are being relative layouts. I have used the scroll view so that we can access both of these cards, and I have used linear layout to put one card view after the other. As I've said earlier, each of them are relative layouts, meaning that each of them have multiple elements or another views, like air quality near you being a text view, as you can see here, air quality, another text view, temperature, another text view, and humidity, another text view tag, as you can see. Coming to the second relative layout, this layout is used for air quality in popular locations. This is a text view, and which is here, shown here, and each of these are another relative layouts, wherein this is one image view and this here both are text views, as you can see here. Even the background of these relative layouts is dynamic and changes according to the values here. Now let us see the Kotlin code for the previous page. Here, as you can see, I am sending a request to the API and receiving a response and storing it in the response tag. Similarly, I have used this method, post execute method, which takes in the response. The response is in JSON or JavaScript object notation. I have just done some basic JSON parsing to get the data from the API, and I have used data binding with the element tags from the XML file to show the data. This here is the driver code for the ESP8266 which I have used in my project for the physical node. Here we use these two libraries mq135.h and dht.h to retrieve the data to the Android application from the node. This mq135.h retrieves the air quality index. dht.h retrieves the temperature and humidity. As we can see down here, we have void loop method which runs multiple times infinitely, and in each iteration it gathers three important data, that is humidity, temperature and air quality. Here humidity is read by read humidity method, temperature is read by read temperature method, and get ppm is used to get the air quality around us. I would like to thank Gopalakrishna sir for giving us this facility for learning new and emerging technologies every semester, and I would also like to thank Vihaan team for teaching us new technologies and guiding us throughout the development of our projects. Thank you.